Let me ask you something real. Have you ever told someone your big plan and suddenly lost the fire to do it? You said you were going to wake up at 5 a.m. You posted about starting the gym. You told friends about your business idea. And for a moment it felt good. But days later, nothing changed, because talking gave you the reward before you earned it. That's where most people lose. Not because they lack intelligence, not because they lack opportunity, but because they leak their power through noise. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." In today's world, that would sound like this. Stop announcing, start becoming. Look at your daily life. You argue in comment sections trying to prove you're right. You explain yourself to people who already decided not to understand you. You defend your choices to those who never built anything themselves. And while you're busy talking, someone else is studying, someone else is training, someone else is building quietly. They don't post the early mornings, they don't announce the setbacks, they don't explain their strategy, they just improve. And one day, you look up and they're ahead. That's the power of silence. Silence is not weakness, it's stored energy. Deep thinking is not overthinking, it's sharpening the blade before the battle. Winning quietly is not hiding, it's refusing to give the world access to your preparation phase. The truth is simple. The loudest person in the room is usually the most insecure. The quietest person is usually observing. And the observer learns patterns. The observer sees mistakes. The observer strikes only when ready. History proves this. The strongest leaders weren't constantly speaking. They listened, reflected, calculated, then acted once. And it was enough. Right now, your biggest upgrade isn't more motivation, it's more restraint. Be silent, think deep, win quietly.